Jenny just had her birthday, so now we would like to update her age and change her name to a more official name, like Jennifer. We can modify object properties using both dot notation and bracket notation. Employee.age equals 24. This is the dot notation. Or employee square brackets name equals Jennifer. This is bracket notation. Now, we would also like to store information about this employee's first and last name. Let's add the properties first name and last name and then delete the property name since we no longer need it. So employee first name equals Jennifer. To add a property first name using dot notation, and employee square brackets second name equals Doe to add second name using bracket notation. And to delete a property, let's use delete employee.name. We can add new properties using both dot and bracket notation. The delete operator removes a property from an object. Let's try to access the employee data now. Console log, employee first name, employee last name, and age, employee age. Console log, employee name. Now we get newly defined first and last name, updated age. Meanwhile, person name is undefined since it was deleted. An object can have properties of any valid data type, so we can also embed another object inside an object like this. Employee supervisor is an object with first name Mary and second name Jones. To access embedded object data, we can use dot notation or bracket notation. So console log employee dot supervisor dot first name. This is a dot notation, or console log employee dot supervisor square brackets second name, and this is bracket notation. Finally, let's check the type of our employee object like this. Let typeof object equals typeof employee, and we get object. Also, when accessing an object, we can get an error if the object is null or undefined. For example, let's wipe employee data by assigning null to it. Employee equals null, and then if we console log person first name, we get type error, cannot read properties of null, reading first name. To sum up, objects are collections of properties and methods. Create objects using object literals, curly brackets. Access properties by using dot notation or bracket notation. Modify properties by using dot notation or bracket notation. Add, delete properties. Use dot notation or bracket notation to add, and delete operator to remove properties. Nested objects. Objects can contain other objects.